In this tutorial, you'll learn how to install GitHub Desktop on Windows and configure it with your GitHub account. GitHub Desktop is a powerful GUI application that simplifies Git operations, allowing you to manage repositories, commit changes, create pull requests, and collaborate on projects without using command line tools. Open your preferred web browser and simply search GitHub Desktop in Google, and the first result will be the official download page at desktop.github.com. Once you're on the page, you'll see a prominent download button for Windows. So, click this button to begin downloading the installer. This may take a while depending on your internet connection, so be patient until the download process completes. When the download completes, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin installation. The installer will begin automatically and start extracting files. This process typically takes 30 to 60 seconds. Unlike many applications, GitHub Desktop has a streamlined installation process with minimal configuration required. The installer handles everything automatically, including adding the application to your start menu and creating desktop shortcuts. When the installation completes, GitHub Desktop will launch automatically. The first screen prompts you to sign into github.com. Click Sign into github.com button. Your default browser will open, taking you to GitHub's authentication page. If you're not already logged into GitHub, you'll need to enter your username or email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to complete the verification step as well. After successfully logging in, you'll see an authorization page. This page explains what permissions GitHub Desktop requires, including access to your repositories, profile information, and workflow settings. Your browser may prompt you to open GitHub Desktop. Click Open GitHub Desktop to continue. Back in GitHub Desktop, you'll be asked to confirm your Git configuration. This includes your name and email address, which will be associated with your commits. Make your selection based on your preferences, then click Finish to complete the setup. You're now ready to use GitHub Desktop. The left sidebar shows your list of repositories and current changes. From here, you can clone existing repositories from GitHub, create new repositories, add local repositories, or start working with your code immediately. You've successfully installed and configured GitHub Desktop on your Windows machine. Thank you for watching this tutorial.